Hey guys, today let's try how to screenshot WhatsApp profile picture. So all we need to do first is to launch the WhatsApp application, and then you can now go ahead and access your profile picture through here just by tapping on your profile picture and then taking a quick screenshot. It's that easy, guys, but if you want to go ahead and do that with other people, you could also do that by tapping on their names over here, tapping on their profile picture, and then as you see, you cannot do this if you do have, of course, the option to screen record their profile, but you can do this as well just by swiping and bypassing that filter. And as you would see, once I'm moving my finger on my screen, it does give me the chance to take a screenshot of this. And well, basically it does show us that the screenshot is currently blank. But if you are currently recording your screens, as you would see on the screens, it does not show us our profile picture. But what you can do is to take a quick screenshot once the photo is in this small mode. And that's going to show you, of course, the profile picture. Just go ahead and crop it until you have a quick and nice zoom of this profile picture like so. Now essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.